Today, we are discussing the basics of New Mexico LLC domestication, a process that may sound complex but is indeed straightforward when you have the right help. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Did you know that as of last year, there were over 150,000 active LLCs in New Mexico? That's a huge number, demonstrating the entrepreneurial spirit alive in this state. If you're interested in making your business a part of this vibrant community, domesticating your LLC to New Mexico can be an excellent move. The process of domestication, also known as a conversion, is when you change the home state or domestic state of your LLC to another. For instance, if your LLC was initially formed in Arizona, but you've moved your operations to New Mexico, domestication might be right for you. However, it's important to note that not all states allow LLC domestication. Fortunately, New Mexico is one of the states that does, and that's where our organization can assist. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We are here to make the process simple and easy to understand. Our expert team helps businesses smoothly transition to their new home, keeping all the legal requirements in check and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. We start with your existing LLC Certificate of Good Standing. This document, which confirms your LLC is up to date with all its obligations in its current state, is the first step towards New Mexico domestication. We can help you secure it if you haven't already. Next, we assist in filing the Articles of Domestication with the New Mexico Secretary of State, the main document required for the process. It outlines essential information about your LLC, like its name, purpose, and the members or managers. We are here to guide you with each and every word that goes into these documents, ensuring they are comprehensive and tailored to your business. There's another crucial step that some businesses overlook, and that is creating an operating agreement for your New Mexico LLC. While this is not mandatory in New Mexico, having one gives clarity to your business operations and prevents any future disputes. Our experts believe in covering all bases, so we can help you craft a New Mexico compliant operating agreement as well. Once the documents are filed and approved, voila! Your LLC is now officially a New Mexican LLC. But our role doesn't end there. We can continue to offer annual report services, registered agent services, and ongoing legal support to make sure your business remains in good standing. To domesticate your LLC right away, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of New Mexico LLC domestication? Is there a specific one that you're confused about? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.